Hello everyone. Good morning children. And today we start our geography part, chapter 17. Before that, discuss some chapters course related. So in history, we have done chapter number 1, 2, just a minute. 1, 2, 7, right? 8, 9, 10, then 12. Okay. So now total 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 4 plus 3, 7 chapters we have already done. And today we start the chapter number 17, Natural Vegetation. Natural Vegetation. So start page number 131. Natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? What is important of natural vegetation in our life? So vegetation is an important part of human life. It is difficult to imagine life without vegetation. It is important has been accepted by our ancient scriptures and by modern science. It is an important part of our life, and without it, it is difficult to imagine of our life. India has a large diversity of natural vegetation. In terms of vegetation diversity, India holds 10th position in the world and 4th in Asia. A forest is a group of trees, and those trees which grow in natural condition without human help are called forest. Or those trees which grow in natural condition without human help that are called forest. And underline that point, India holds the 10th position in world and 4th position in Asia. The natural vegetation. The diversity in natural vegetation of India is created due to following reasons. First, relief features, soil, temperature, insolation, sunshine, rainfall, and humidity. So, due to diversity like relief like a mountain, plateaus, plains, desert, etc., a diverse pattern in vegetation is seen in India. So, there are different soil like alluvial, black, mountain, desert type, etc. in India. And the variation in soil also create difference in vegetation. So the difference in temperature and humidity is called Himalayas regions, and in southern peninsula region also bring a variation in vegetation. So the insolation over any place depends on its latitude and altitude. So vegetation grow faster where there is more rain and insolation. Thus there is a diversity in vegetation due to sunshine. See students, here give the reasons and types of soil, rainfall, humidity, insolation, relief. Reason, just a minute. Reason and types both are the given here for soil, relief features, rainfall, humidity, etc. Thus, there is a diversity in vegetation due to sunshine. So, rainfall distribution in India is also unequal, which in turn causes diversity in vegetation. There are about 5,000 varieties of tree in India. 5,000 varieties, out of which 450 trees are useful commercially. Total 5,000 variety of trees, out of which 450 are useful for commercially. Besides, about 15,000 flowering plants also grow, which form about 6% of the world. Non-flowering plant like a fern, algae, moss, etc. are also found in our country. India is a famous since ancient times for the herbal plants. About 2000 medicinal plants are described in Ayurveda. Thus, it can be said that India has a diversity in vegetation. Please underline total 5,000 varieties, 454 commercially used, 15,000 plants also grow, which is 6%, then 2,000 medicinal plant. Please, students, underline. Then types of natural vegetation. Here the important points come. Existence and growth of any vegetation depends on climate of a region. In the region of identical climate, vegetation seen is mostly identical. So region of such ecological similarly are called natural vegetation regions. Please underline students. Existence and growth of any vegetation depends on the climate of region, and in the region of identical climate, due to identical climate in region, so vegetation is mostly identical, and such ecological similarities is called natural vegetation. On the basis of altitude, soil, rainfall, and variation in temperature, the natural vegetation region can be divided into five types: tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert vegetation, temperature forest and grassland, and mangrove forest. Five types: rainforest, deciduous forest, desert forest and grassland, and mangrove. In which first one is tropical. So distribution of tropical forest. So students, this five types is very important for examination. Please tick mark. It is very important. So distribution. Tropical rainforests are mostly seen in hot and humid regions where annual rainfall exceeds 200 centimeter and temperature is more than 22 Celsius. Where we see this type of forest, so mostly in hot and humid regions, and whereas rainfall is exceed 200 centimeter and temperature is more than 22 Celsius. So such forests are found in heavy rainfall of Western Ghat, then Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, and upper region of Assam, coastal Tamil Nadu. In this place, we can see this type of forest and trees like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, etc. Characteristics. So these type of trees are here about 60 meters tall or even more. Height of these trees 60 meter or more. There is more humidity due to scrub, and there is no season here like autumn because as these trees are evergreen, the forests are also called evergreen forests. See, students, this map is most important, but from textbook you can't understand properly. So after completion this chapter, I we take a special lecture for map. Okay, so in that lecture, I provide and I teach you how to draw map. Second, tropical deciduous forests. Generally, such forests are found in region receive 70 to 200 centimeter rainfall, like in northeastern state, Himalaya, western Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, slope of Eastern Ghat, Vindhya, and Satpura range. So there is a large proportion of these forests in India, or mostly concentrates teak, seal, sesame, sandalwood, and care and bamboo. Then major characteristics are like a sheds the leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during autumn. Then every species has a different time to shed the leaves. So all the three trees are never without leaves during any particular season. As these trees shed their leaves according to season, these are also called monsoon forest. See, first one of rain tropical rainforest. The second name of that is evergreen forest, and the second name of tropical deciduous is monsoon forest. Please, students, remember this name. In examination, it may be asked in paper. Then the third is thorny vegetation. Distribution. Generally, such forests are found in regions that receive less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. Place where the rainfall is less than 70 centimeter, at their place, these type of vegetations and forests are there. So these are found in northwestern regions, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, etc. So we can see this type of forest because we all are in Gujarat. So in Gujarat, then Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and in Uttar Pradesh, this type of forest we can see. Then the trees like jujube, acacia, cactus, khijudo, etc. are common trees found here. Then the what is characteristics of this type of vegetation? So the roots of trees and plants here are long, deep, and widespread. Means roots of trees are very deep and widespread. So leaves are shorter, which result in slower evaporation process. I know you all know what is evaporation process. Okay. So here we done the three types of vegetation. First one tropical rainforest, then the second tropical deciduous, and the third is thorny vegetation. So and third type, 70% 70 centimeter or less rainfall required. Second 70 to 200 centimeter rainfall, and then first one more than 200 centimeter rainfall, and temperature is 22 degree Celsius. So trees in tropical rainforest, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and rubber. Then second deciduous forest, major trees like teak, sal, sesame, sandalwood, care, and bamboo. And in third, jujube, acacia, cactus, and khijudo. Now we are moving on fourth type, temperate forest and grassland. Uh, Himalaya vegetation. So height, area span, forest, and trees. So vegetation of Himalayas. At Himalayas, which type of vegetations are there? We study here. So first height. So normally 1000 to 2000 meters of Himalaya, high mountains of north, east, west, Bengal and mountain area of Uttarakhand, then 15,000 to 3,000 meters of Himalaya. So southern slope of Himalayas, higher area of south and northeast. Then forest, okay, tropical type and coniferous. In tropical forest, trees like oak, chestnut and major vegetation. And in coniferous forest, pine, deodar, silver, fir and spruce. And 3600 meter and more of Himalayas. So okay, higher altitude in Himalaya and near snow line. So alpine and short grass and the silverfield and juniper beech. So major characteristics of the coniferous forest is that the trees have a conical shape. You all know how's conical shape? So this branch lean towards the surface so that the snow would easily slide down towards the land. And that these trees are long, pointed, sticky which can conserve humidity for a longer time. See students, I provide on screen these type of trees. Just 2 minutes. Trees have a conical shape at Himalayas. See students, uh, these are trees which have a conical shape, like this type of trees at Himalayas, and this one also. Clear? If some snow fall on it, then due to this slope, he slope down to the land. Okay, clear? Then tidal forest or mangroves. So distribution. These type of forests are located in the delta region of rivers along the coast. So these forests are found along the Gujarat coast and in the marshlands along the Bay of Bengal coast. Trees like Sundri and Cher. Then forest product and their utility. Here we done the types of forest. The five types of vegetations we done here. uh, After completion this chapter, as I told you कि मैं आपको मैप सिखाने वाली हूँ, तो उनके लिए स्पेशल वी अरेंज अ लेक्चर. ओके. Now you have 2 to 3 minutes reading time, so utilize this time and read from the first point, natural vegetation. You have 1 minute for this, you have 1 minute for this, and 2 minutes for five types of forest. Then we are moving on next topic, that is a forest product and their utility. So till that you read just one time perfectly and try to understand all the points. See students, I try my best, but still some external voice can. So don't lose your concentration and only concentrate what I speak and what you read, okay? Because external voice we cannot stop. So please concentrate here and just read perfectly. Okay, next where are types of natural vegetation. Fast, fast. Only the name or types of natural vegetation you can read. Then tropical rainforest. So only centimeters, Celsius, types of tree and characteristics you can read. Not word to word you read. You need to just read main points, not word by word. Next topic, second, tropical deciduous forest. Come on, fast. Then the third one, please tick mark important points, huh? And fourth also. I hope you cope up with this speed. Okay, done. Good. So now we are moving on next topic, forest product and their utility. See students, before this start this topic, we'll discuss some related information. As we all know that most of the products we can use which produce from forest product like wood. We use the furniture in our home, but for making furniture, wood is using. So that wood we produce from. I mean, we कहाँ से आता है वो? Okay, good. From the forest. Then other some medicinal product which we produce from a forest product also. So mostly product we used in our routine life is thanks to forest. So forests are useful to mankind in many ways. Timber wood from teak and sal is used for furniture making. So both are prepared from the wood of Sundari trees of Sundarban. Please underline timber wood from teak, sal is used for furniture. Both are prepared from wood of Sundari. Pots, goods and packing box are prepared from wood of pine and cheed. Turpentine is prepared from liquid of cheed. Sandalwood is used for perfume oil, cosmetic, etc. Basket, toys, goods of home decoration, etc. made from bamboo. Forests also provide sealing wax, resin, gum, rubber, honey, etc. And amla, behda, herde, ashwagandha, etc. have medicinal utility. Most important topic for examination. Utility of forest product or useful of forest product. For all the first para and also this table you have to write in your examination. Now medicinal utility of vegetation like sarpagandha in high blood pressure, limbedo as a bacterial resistance, tulsi cold cough and fever, then arjun sadek okay, treatment for heart ailments, billy gas and cough impurities, then gallo diabetes fever and joint pain, horde constipation and hair disease, amla okay, cause gas acidity and digestive, then karanj the skin and dental and gum disease. So besides leaf plates from khakro leaves, kechu from kher tree, bidi from timru leaves are also prepared. So forests provide livelihood and food to forest dwellers. So these way forests contribute into the social and economical development of mankind. So please students, this point is most important. Please you learn at the time when you see this video, because when you think after completion this video I learn within 2 to 3 days, no, don't skip this point because it is most important for examination. I again repeat, it is most important, so learn at the time. Okay, next, environmental importance, forest conservation remedies. So we will study in next lecture, and I hope and I think to the next video this chapter is well done. But now you read just forest product and also their utility, and if possible then learn it now, otherwise you learn uh, in after completion this lecture within 1 or 2 hours. when when you not comfort learn with study, then also you first you study this video and perfectly understood this video, and then you can learn. But now I give you 2 minutes, you read at least 2 times this product and also utility of this product, because it was most important. So please start reading, then I give some homework. Fast, and try, don't escape any little thing. Try to read perfect all words, all products and their utility. And you can tick mark also. First you tick on timber wood, then tick, and then sal, so use for furniture making. So main words you can tick or underline. Done first paragraph. Next, medicinal utility of vegetation. It is also ask like a question or a short note like utility of forest product, or asking like join the pair, one side vegetation and one side utility, so you can join. Complete. And also this last paragraph is important because it is a part of a utility of forest product. Okay, done. Okay, here we go on first page of this chapter. Okay, so today's homework, write a short note on types of natural vegetation. So you write 5 types and important points in respective forest, distribution, trees, characteristics, all you all points will you have to write. Map, you skip this, then you write the forest product, vegetation and medicinal utility 2 times, one time in fair note, one time in rough note. In the rough book we have to write one time, and in fair note you have to write one time. Only forest product and utility, and these 5 types of forest directly you write in fair book one time, and try to write at chart form, like you start a tropical rainforest, then 3 points, three divide parts in dividing, first distribution, then trees, then characteristics. So in distribution they write more than 200 centimeters rainfall, second point 22 degree Celsius, I mean more than 22 degrees Celsius. Then in trees, name of trees, rosewood, rubber, etc. In characteristics, so 60 meters tall or even more. Like I mean to say, if you write in chart form, then you can learn easily. So try to make chart in these 5 types of rain forest. Then you write forest product and utility, and definition of natural vegetation, and different yes, diversity and natural vegetation of India. So you write this topic one time in fair note. You not write to line by line, but important points at least 4 to 5 points. At least 4 to 5 points which cover all the important points you can write. You have to write in fair note. So now clear? Homework clear? Good. So in next lecture we study next point. Okay, goodbye everyone.